Life often brings unexpected financial challenges. Many emergencies can be resolved with $1,000. This guide offers a step-by-step saving approach. The goal is to save your first $1,000. This is achievable, even if saving seems impossible. Follow these steps to build your initial safety net. Saving the first $1,000 is often the hardest financial goal to achieve. It requires discipline, careful planning, and consistent effort. This is an actionable plan for those with inconsistent income. It is also helpful for individuals prone to impulse spending habits. Most common emergencies cost between $200 and $900. Emergencies include flat tires, dentist visits, and broken phones. A $1,000 fund acts as a financial shield. It prevents one emergency from derailing the entire budget. Saving $1,000 is more manageable when broken into smaller targets. Establish monthly or daily savings targets to achieve your goal. Align your timeline with your income and lifestyle. Prioritize realistic commitments over ambitious, unattainable goals. A practical approach ensures consistent progress toward your savings target. A separate savings account is essential for an emergency fund. This account is the emergency fund parking space. It should allow easy deposits to build the fund quickly, but it should discourage easy withdrawals to preserve it. A high-yield savings account is ideal for maximizing returns. Avoid debit cards to reduce the temptation for impulse spending. Track all spending for 10 days to understand where your money is going. Categorize expenses: absolutely necessary, nice but not needed, and silent thieves. Absolutely necessary are essential expenses like housing and food. Identify silent thieves and nice but not needed to find potential savings. Begin by identifying common areas where money is unintentionally being spent. These money leaks can include unused subscriptions or daily snack purchases. Also consider bank fees or other recurring small expenses. Commit to permanently eliminating one of these leaks to save money. Identify another leak to reduce in frequency or amount spent. Find a cheaper alternative for another expense to further minimize spending. Supplementing income accelerates savings and financial goals. Consider reselling unused items to generate extra funds. Offering weekly services can provide a consistent income stream. Completing microjobs online offers flexible earning opportunities. Weekend freelance work allows leveraging skills for added income. Boosting earnings through these methods enhances financial stability. Automate savings with regular transfers to your emergency fund account. Set up weekly or bi-weekly transfers for consistent saving. Small, regular transfers are more effective than sporadic large ones. Automation ensures consistent contributions to your emergency savings. This strategy helps build a financial safety net over time. Avoid using your emergency fund for non-emergencies. The fund is strictly for unexpected, critical situations. Acceptable uses include medical bills and car repairs. Also, use it for urgent travel and essential bills. Resist the urge to spend it on impulse buys or entertainment. Maintaining discipline protects your financial safety net. Expense audits categorize spending to identify areas for potential savings. Absolutely necessary expenses include rent, food, and transportation. Nice but not needed expenses are restaurants and subscriptions. Silent thieves are bank fees and unwanted trial renewals. Money leaks are small, often unnoticed expenses that add up over time. Unused subscriptions are a common money leak. Cancel services you don't use. Daily snacks and drinks purchased can accumulate into a significant expense. Bank fees, delivery apps, and random shopping contribute to money leaks. Expensive weekend outings and underutilized data plans can also drain funds. Reducing restaurant meals is an actionable fix. Canceling unused subscriptions saves money. Downgrading subscriptions lowers expenses. Combining bus and Uber rides cuts transport costs. Reselling unused items can generate an extra $50, $200. Offering a weekly service can earn $40, $100 per session. Completing microjobs can provide $20, $60 weekly. Delivering food for a few hours a week can yield $80 plus. These are examples of ways to supplement income. Earnings vary based on effort and market demand. Automating savings turns a difficult task into a consistent habit. It ensures regular contributions to the emergency fund. This happens without constant manual effort. Automated savings promotes financial security and reduces stress. Emergency funds are for unforeseen, critical situations, not routine expenses. Valid uses include medical emergencies and essential car repairs. Emergency funds should cover urgent travel needs and essential bills. Avoid using it for non-essential or discretionary spending. Occasional lapses in financial discipline are normal. Don't be discouraged. Restart your savings plan the next day to regain momentum. Reevaluate expenses to identify and address any financial leaks. Reinforce your plan by adding a small income booster and reestablish automation. Saving the first $1,000 provides peace of mind and reduces overall stress. It makes navigating life's challenges feel less daunting and overwhelming. This initial emergency fund represents a foundation of financial stability. It acts as a buffer against unexpected expenses and financial setbacks. Ultimately, it provides a sense of security and control over one's financial future. Engage by liking the video to show support and help others discover the content. Comment $1,000 to join the challenge and commit to financial growth. Subscribe for more practical content on building financial stability. Taking the first step is crucial for building a secure financial future. The emergency fund is depicted as a savings jar. This jar symbolizes a secure repository for savings. A glowing shield surrounds the jar, representing protection. The shield highlights the fund's role in safeguarding finances. It protects the budget from unexpected financial shocks. This visual emphasizes the fund's importance for stability. The animation shows breaking down a $1,000 goal. Smaller amounts make the goal less intimidating. Breaking down the goal makes it more achievable. A realistic time frame further aids achievement. Timeline visuals help to achieve the goal. A lock icon on a savings account highlights the need to protect emergency funds. This separation secures funds from daily spending temptations. It helps prevent accidental withdrawals. Preserving the emergency fund. This security measure reduces the risk of impulsive spending decisions. Expense auditing involves tracking and analyzing spending habits. Receipts and bank statements are key documents in this process. Analyzing these records helps identify spending patterns. This analysis can reveal opportunities for potential savings. The leaking bucket represents consistent money leaks. Taping the bucket symbolizes plugging those leaks. Small, consistent savings accumulate over time. These savings are directed towards an emergency fund. This analogy highlights the power of consistent saving. Side hustle icons symbolize diverse methods for increasing income. These icons represent opportunities to supplement primary earnings. They encourage viewers to explore various income-boosting options. Exploring these options can accelerate savings progress. Side hustles offer flexibility in earning extra money. Consider side hustles to achieve financial goals faster. Automatic money transfer simplifies savings. It ensures consistent contributions. This method automates the savings process. It effectively builds an emergency fund. Savings occur without manual effort. The comedic alarm is triggered when withdrawal from savings is attempted. It serves as a humorous deterrent against impulsive spending. The alarm reinforces the need to resist spending temptations. It highlights the importance of protecting the emergency fund. It discourages using savings for non-essential purchases. Falling and getting back up represents resilience in pursuing a $1,000 savings goal. This visual symbolizes overcoming setbacks during the savings journey. It highlights the importance of perseverance to achieve the financial objective. Resilience is key to maintaining progress, despite challenges in saving money. A money jar filling up symbolizes the gradual accumulation of savings. It offers a visual representation of progress toward financial goals. This visual feedback can be a powerful motivator to continue saving. Consistent contributions, however small, lead to substantial growth over time. Saving $1,000 requires financial discipline and a well-thought-out plan. Consistency is key to achieving this financial goal. It presents a challenge, demanding commitment and focus. Success depends on adopting effective saving strategies. A positive and determined mindset is essential. With the right approach, saving $1,000 is an achievable goal. An emergency fund of $1,000 acts as a financial shield. It protects against unexpected expenses. It prevents financial fallout from unforeseen events. It provides peace of mind in uncertain times. This fund offers a buffer against debt accumulation. It promotes financial stability and security. Setting a realistic timeline is key for saving $1,000 effectively. A realistic timeline helps maintain motivation throughout the savings process. Starting with small, achievable goals builds momentum. Avoid burnout by setting achievable goals, not unrealistic targets. A high-yield savings account is a good choice for an emergency fund. It allows the money to grow over time. Even if modestly, the money remains easily accessible when needed. This combines growth potential with liquidity. It's a preferable option for short-term savings goals. Tracking spending reveals spending habits. It provides insights into where money goes. It helps identify wasteful spending areas. It aids in better budget allocation. Tracking for 10 days is a good start. It helps in making informed financial decisions. Cutting expenses is crucial for freeing up funds for savings. Expense reduction directly increases available savings. Identifying money leaks is a key step. Eliminating these leaks maximizes savings potential. More savings can be allocated to an emergency fund. Boosting income provides extra funds for saving. Additional income accelerates progress toward financial goals. Even small income increases can significantly impact savings. More income allows for quicker accumulation of savings. Increased savings contribute to financial stability and growth. Automating savings ensures consistent contributions to an emergency fund. This consistency is maintained even when other financial priorities emerge. Automation removes the temptation to skip savings. It establishes a set-it-and-forget-it approach to financial planning. This method promotes financial discipline and security. Automated savings helps build a financial safety net over time. Resisting temptation protects the emergency fund from non-essential spending. It requires discipline to avoid impulsive purchases. A clear understanding of financial priorities is essential. Focus on long-term financial goals over immediate desires. Avoid situations that trigger spending temptations. Setbacks are a normal part of the savings journey. They are not failures. The key is to learn from any mistakes made during these setbacks. Analyze what went wrong and identify areas for improvement. Adjust your saving strategy based on these lessons learned. Getting back on track quickly is crucial for long-term success. Don't let setbacks derail your savings goals. Stay focused and persistent. Saving $1,000 offers peace of mind by providing a financial safety net. This cushion helps manage unexpected expenses without causing financial strain. Knowing you have savings reduces stress related to money matters. Lower stress levels contribute to improved overall well-being. Financial security enhances mental and emotional health. Dividing a large goal into smaller steps makes it seem less daunting. Smaller, manageable amounts are easier to achieve incrementally. This approach facilitates steady progress toward the overall objective. Achieving smaller milestones builds momentum and boosts motivation. A separate savings account helps manage an emergency fund effectively. It prevents mixing emergency savings with everyday spending. This separation makes it easier to monitor the fund's growth. A dedicated account reduces the temptation to use emergency funds frivolously. It provides a clear view of available emergency funds. This clarity supports disciplined saving and financial security. Expense audits offer key insights into spending patterns. They highlight areas of potential financial waste. Audits reveal opportunities for better resource allocation. This leads to improved savings and financial health. Expense audits help optimize spending habits. Identifying money leaks is crucial for freeing up funds. Freed funds can then be allocated towards savings goals. Small, consistent savings efforts are key to financial health. These small savings accumulate over time, creating a financial buffer. This buffer can be used to build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Income-boosting strategies help accelerate progress toward financial goals. These strategies provide an additional source of funds for saving. Even small income boosts can significantly impact savings efforts. Consider side hustles or investments to increase income. Automation ensures consistent savings. Turning it into a regular habit, it eliminates the need for manual transfers, reducing the effort required. Automation removes the temptation to skip savings due to other priorities. This consistency helps in achieving long-term financial goals more effectively. Protecting an emergency fund requires discipline and prioritizing genuine needs. It prevents depletion from non-essential spending. This ensures funds are available for unexpected, critical situations. A protected fund offers financial security during emergencies. Encountering setbacks is a common part of the savings journey. It's crucial to view these setbacks as learning opportunities. Analyzing mistakes helps refine saving strategies. Prompt recovery is essential to maintain savings momentum. Getting back on track quickly minimizes long-term impact. Consistent effort after setbacks leads to eventual savings success. Saving $1,000 is a foundational step toward financial stability. It acts as a buffer, reducing financial stress and anxiety. This initial saving improves overall financial well-being. It's a crucial milestone for building long-term financial security. Having this fund can provide a sense of control over finances. Saving the first $1,000 is a foundational step towards financial security. It's analogous to laying the first brick and building a solid financial base. This achievement sets the stage for future financial accomplishments. It's a significant milestone, marking the beginning of a sound financial journey.